Typing multiple lines of text inside a single Excel cell is quick and easy using a simple keyboard shortcut. This method lets you control how text is displayed without moving content into other cells. Start by clicking into the cell where you want to enter your text. Type the first part of the text, such as "how to." When you want to start a new line inside the same cell, press Alt and Enter. This instantly moves the cursor to a new line while keeping the text in the same cell. You can now type the rest of the text. For example, start a new line in an Excel cell. Press Enter to finish, then adjust the cell height or width if needed so all lines are visible. You can also add line breaks to text that is already in the cell. Double-click the cell to edit it and place the cursor exactly where you want the new line to begin. Press Alt and Enter, and the text will split into 2 lines. You can repeat this step to create additional lines within the same cell and resize the cell to keep everything readable. If you want to remove a line break and return the text to one line, double-click into the cell again. Place the cursor at the beginning of the line you want to remove and press backspace. The text will move up and join the previous line. This can also be done in the formula bar by expanding it and using backspace to combine the lines. One important thing to remember is that Excel automatically turns on text wrapping when you add line breaks. Even after removing the breaks, the text may still appear on multiple lines. To fix this, simply turn off the wrap text option. Once disabled, the text will display on a single line, just as expected.